Can I take vitamin C supplement while on isotretinoin? Yes, guys, it's considered safe to take vitamin C while on isotretinoin, and maaari itong magkaroon ng benefits while taking isotretinoin because of vitamin C's antioxidant effect and its skin repairing properties. So, pwede nyo pong i-take yung vitamin C na ascorbic acid form, which I think is the best in terms of promoting or helping with collagen development. Or if medyo madaling ma-irritate yung tiyan nyo, you can opt for the sodium ascorbate form. So in terms of the dose, pwede kayo mag-take ng 500 milligrams a day for 3 months. No? Pwede nyo inumin siya every day for 3 months. And I don't suggest to go beyond that kasi para maiwasan natin yung mga side effects kagaya ng diarrhea, and also yung increased risk for kidney stone formation. So yung vitamin C po, pag tinitake natin yan, it can somehow help reduce the oxidative stress ng ating katawan. And indirectly, this also improves systemic inflammation. And like I always say, acne is an inflammatory skin condition. So anything that helps improve inflammation can also help improve your acne. So in a sense, parang synergistic yung effect ng ating vitamin C at saka isotretinoin para sa ating acne. And also, vitamin C promotes collagen synthesis and proper healing of our skin. Kasi nga guys, di ba kung may acne tayo, ang nagiging problem natin is the acne scars. So for the risk of acne scarring guys, may video akong ginawa about this. You can search that here in TikTok. But one of the things that puts you at risk of acne scar development is delayed and improper healing. And by taking your vitamin C, it can help promote collagen synthesis and also help improve skin healing, and thereby also decreasing your chance of developing acne scars. And also guys, no, pag nagtitake tayo ng vitamin C, it can somehow benefit the immune system then. And some individuals, especially those with very dry skin, after taking isotretinoin, nagkakaroon po ng mga cracks yung mga skin natin, and doon pumapasok yung mga fungus, mga bacteria, and somehow nagkakaroon ng mga superficial skin infections. So by taking vitamin C, it helps improve your immune system and fight off those mga infections. So yun guys, if you're planning to take any form of medications or supplements while on isotretinoin, always inform your board-certified dermatologist muna bago nyo i-take para mag-guide kayo properly kung dapat bang i-take yon or hindi dapat, and para safe po tayo parate while taking isotretinoin. Alright guys? So for more acne tips, follow me and Basta Acne DMD. Bye!